Hello, my friend. I'm Daisy from Japan's Logis. It's a pleasure to meet you all. It's well known that China and Nigeria have cooperation in terms of trade, economy, and technology. This is why there are many Nigerians who import numerous products from China, such as mattress and equipment, and phone case and shoe, and other products. How to import from China to Nigeria? As far as we know, there are 4 steps. 1. Finding a local factory in China that offers the item we need, such as Alibaba, Made in China, and Counting Fire. 2. Negotiate the price and the delivery time with the local factory. 3. Confirm the order and make payment. 4. Factory delivery the goods to Logis and the shipping to Nigeria. A question comes to mind. How do we find a reliable Logis? I believe this is an essential concept for many import merchants as to whether the Logis can ensure the safety of the goods. Japan's Logis has been essential for 12 years and supplies in the shipment of African countries. We have a long-term and stable relationship with Costco, PIF, and ET, and the price we can get is very competitive, and the time efficiency is also reliable. For transportation from China to Nigeria, our company has 4 rules for selection. I'm your best choice for shipping to Nigeria.
Guangzhou is the central hub for traffic, and the reason for us to local. Our company headquarters in Guangzhou. It allowed our customers to deliver their goods to our warehouse faster than ever before, for us to get them to Nigeria as soon as possible. We are located on the 13th floor of the building. Let me show our office to all of you here.
Hello, here we go.
As you can see, our oncology work here regularly. Do you know us more after visiting our office? Warehouse process shipments from all over the country every day. From unloading, checking the goods, label to loading, the warehouse manager keeps control of every step of the process. You can also see that we have a huge warehouse in Guangzhou. We can handle all your shipment even if you have plenty to store. Warehouse staff will check each cargo careful and repackage damaged goods. There are a great number of positive comments from local customers about our company. We have a professional tracing website. You can check the state of cargoes at any time. We have a favorable price, faster transportation, and excellent service. There are no reason for you to worry about the safety of your cargo. 9% of our customers will recommend their friends to our company after they have experienced our service.
Many clients have trouble in paying for shipping, but it's not even a problem. There are 2 options for you in our company. You can pay on delivery when you pick up the shipment from our warehouse in Nigeria. You can also pay in advance before the shipment is loaded it's up to you. Please contact me if you have goods to be shipped to Nigeria. We are looking forward to your cooperation. It will be best choice for you to choose us.